let's go. Picture na po kayo kasama ang ating birthday girl. Tapos si mommy and daddy. Ang nila ba? Yan, quick picture taking lang. Ayan, let's go, sir. Yan, punta kayo sa gitna, ha? Kaya lola, let's go. Picture tayo. Okay na ba? O, sige, lahat ng let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Louder, everyone! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, paling naman ang mas malakas at mas masaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bago ni Amara ang kanyang birthday candle, sabay-sabay muna natin siyang batiin ng happy birthday. And the count of three, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Amara! Great, ano baby girl? Ready? Yes! Happy birthday, Amara. Dahil mommy and daddy, ano po ang inyong birthday wish at message para kay Amara?
Baka maiyak ka.
Mabait at masunurin sa mga magulang.
Okay, habang si Daddy, sino naman share na naman po ang birthday wish at message niya para kay Amara? Okay, palapalan lang natin si Mami and Daddy, guys. Ang dahil dyan si Rete and Jollibee. May wish din para kay Amara. Hindi na sila ba marunong magpadalo? Ready na ba kayo, Rete and Jollibee, for your 3 wishes? Sino mamulan? In the heart of three.